Hi everyone. So I'm going to show you very easily how to reset your Instagram password. So as you can see, I like to do things in desktop for the majority of the time, but you can do this through your Instagram app as well. So in this case, I'm in the desktop version of Instagram and I need to get my password reset. Very easy. You're going to come into a section like this and you probably have a phone number, username, email, but here's how you start the process. You're going to see this link called Forgot Password, and you're simply going to click that, and then it's going to ask you certain things to identify yourself to make sure that they're sending the correct person password information. So go ahead and put the email in that you use for your Instagram account or your username and start that process very easily. This is how it will reset. Now, I will tell you, you do have to have access to the email address that you signed up with Instagram on. If you do not have access, it's not, actually, I don't even think that you're able to do it. You can take a look and you could try to go through Instagram support, but it's a very, very difficult process if you can do it even at all. And we've had to have some clients just restart a whole new Instagram page. So if you're starting your Instagram account, save your passwords. Make sure you have an email address that's not going to be with someone personal, but it stays with your business. So make sure that you keep these things in mind when you're starting your Instagram account and when you need to reset that password. You have to have access to that email. Thanks. Hope this helps.